ClearView 300, the product of choice for many people for hard water stain removal on a grand scale. So you're going to want to take those hard water stains off. You got a lot of panels. This goes a long way, does a lot of panels, and it does them quickly because it's an acid-based cleaner in this instance. You're taking off your hard water stain. So a couple of ways to do it. You could put it into a sprayer bottle. Okay, if you do that, put a mask on and spray it on, and then scrub it around. I choose to put it in a bucket so it's not aspirated in the air. Tilt the bucket, put a little bit in the edge of the bucket, and a mop. Just wet the mop. Don't let this drip, in any case, down below, because you will see the drip marks on paint, on windows below, those kinds of things. So no dripping. Doesn't take enough product where it needs to be that wet. So, but it's fast, it's easy to use, and helps people make a lot of money.